Your Excellency, Egad Le of the Transition Council, Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I bring you warm greetings from your families, the National Police Service, and the people of Kenya. They have sent me to let you know that we are all very proud of you. They mean well for you, and they wish you success in this assignment. When I flagged you off, I mandated you on behalf of the people of Kenya to be exemplary ambassadors and to be an iconic brand. And you have represented the people of Kenya with courage, professionalism, selflessness, compassion, and efficiency. I have therefore made this visit before attending the 79th UN General Assembly to check on your progress. I am proud that upon deployment, you promptly commenced operations, consistently exceeding expectation in the performance of your duties, and you have exhibited courage, integrity, and professionalism. As a consequence of your exemplary service and contribution to the multinational security support operation, the country's security has significantly improved. Its crucial infrastructure is much safer. Populations are returning home. Humanitarian access has increased, and abductions have decreased. As you will recall, your deployment was initially met with skepticism, criticism, and pessimism. But because of your courage, your competence, professionalism, and effectiveness in executing your mandate, this mission now enjoys strong national support in Kenya and global acclamation across the world. Your exemplary conduct has borne fruit and made our country very proud. Consequently, this mission has attracted praise across the globe. I am informed that as we talk here, there is progress being made around the port, and that more vessels, larger vessels, are now docking at the port, and you with your brothers in the Haitian National Police are working together to make sure that the environs around the airport is secured so that we can begin to open the economy of Haiti. I have been informed by the government here that schools were supposed to open earlier. They will now open on the 1st of October, and they are asking you to work with the Haitian National Police to make sure that children go to school on 1st of October. I bring you very warm greetings again from your families, from the National Police Service, and from all the people of Kenya. They wish you well, they pray for you, you have their goodwill, you have their support, and your success is not only going to be the success of the National Police Service, it is going to be the success of the people of Haiti and the success of all people who believe in peace, in stability, in dignity, and in democracy. And I am very confident that you have what it takes to restore peace in this brotherly nation of Haiti. I am very happy to be here. I came here specifically to know about your progress so that friends and partners and many other people who believe in stability and peace can work with me at the UN General Assembly to make sure that you get the requisite support, human capital, equipment, and also other resources to make sure that you deliver on this mandate. Ati? Tuko sawa eh? Bas, wacha mimi niwashukuru sana. Tena pongezi. Mumefanya kazi ya maajabu. Watu wa nchi hii, viongozi wa nchi hii, wale nimezungumza na wao, wanawatambua kwa ujasiri wenu, utendakazi wenu, professionalism na courage ile mko nayo. Vile niliwaeleza siku ile msiniangushe, mimi nafurahi ya mjaniangusha. Guys are the best. Mumekaa rada, mumekaa chonjo, mumefanya kazi ya maana sana. Na mumepeperusha bendera ya Kenya mahali ambapo wengi walikuwa na taswishi. Mnajua hii mission yenu kule nyumbani watu walikuwa na taswishi sana. Walikuwa na wasiwasi sana. Lakini nyinyi mkasema sisi tuko na training. Sisi ni askari tumefundishwa. Na kama kuna uhalifu mahali popote sisi tutapambana nao. Gentlemen, I'm really proud of you. Mumeweka heshima ya askari wa Kenya. Hapa wengi waliniambia ya kwamba kuna vikundi nyingi wamejaribu kushughulika na hii kazi ya Haiti, lakini imekuwa ngumu. Lakini leo kuna watu wengi wanasema sasa tuko tayari kwenda Haiti. Tumeona kweli kumbe ile inawezekana. Yes, there are many people who thought this Haiti was mission impossible. But today they have changed their mind because of the progress you have made in collaboration with Haitian National Police. Today there is a lot more confidence that the job of stabilizing Haiti, of dealing with gangs in Haiti and violence, and making sure that we free the people of Haiti from this yoke of underdevelopment occasioned by violence is possible. And now the world is much more ready to come forward and work with you. So you have my best wishes, you have my goodwill, you have my support, and you have my prayers. Sawa sawa? So because we have to go, again, as I stand here in this soil in Haiti, I know that this job you are going to overcome. I know you are going to succeed. This is an assignment that we are undertaking as a country because we are a responsible member of the international community. And it is because we believe in God.